Hey, welcome back, family. It's Makisha here once again. And today's video, what I'm going to be doing is covering over the next 3 months is the questions that I'm always getting, right? I get a lot of questions. So what I'm going to do is start answering them here live for you all. So, one, thank you for those of you all that are subscribed to the channel. At any point in time, if you want more information, all you got to do is you'll see in the description below this video is going to be the website, which is simply forex-vibes with a z.com, and you got a lot of information on what we provide for you in our academy that we chose to use. So the number one question I've been getting lately is, can Forex make you rich? Interesting, right? What made me do this question first is because I get this question a lot. So can Forex make you rich? Man, I don't even know what to say to that. Because for one, I can't really give income claims, right? Legally, I can't give income claims. So when someone asks, can Forex make you rich? It's all about, to me personally, how much time are you going to put into it? Because you have to think of Forex and anything that you learn in life as a skill. It's just for those of you that worked at 9 to 5 as well. You know, when you got your job, you had to learn it, right? You didn't show up and was like, yes, this job is going to make me rich. No, you didn't. For one, you had to put in the work. You had to get approved. You had to put in the work. You had to put your study time in. And probably right now, if you're watching this video, you still aren't rich from it. So think of Forex as something similar, but it's more like, say, fast track, right? So when you learn Forex, it's not just a get rich quick type thing. No, a lot of people come into it, which I don't really understand, thinking of it as a get rich quick. As soon as you sign up to trade in Forex, you're like, hey, boom, I can turn $1 into $100,000 in 2 days. It doesn't work like that at all. When you learn to trade Forex, I'm gonna tell you this truthfully, because I've been trading Forex now for a while. I've been through the ups, I've been through the downs, I've been through the, you know what, screw it, I'm done with this crap. And then I've been through the A. Yes, I'm definitely glad I'm hung in there and learned to trade Forex. So when you learn to trade Forex, just think of it as you have to do quite a few things. So the very first thing, make sure that you have a mentor, right? Because when you're going through this, it's going to get, like I said, I've been through the ups, the downs, and glad I'm still here things, right? So when you have a mentor in place, that mentor is going to help keep you on track. So you got to have a mentor to help you keep on track. Another thing that you want to have as well is an accredited source, something credible, right? So just like when you attend college, you don't go to just any college, right? No, you make sure that thing is accredited so you can get your points, right? Because you want it to be known all over the world, right? So make sure when you choose the platform that you're going to learn from, just make sure it's accredited. Make sure it's been around for at least 4 or 5 years. Right? Because then you know it's been around for 4 or 5 years and you see people succeeding in it, then it must be a good college, right? So the same thing here. When you learn to trade Forex, make sure you find a good platform and a good academy to learn from. Another thing as well, what you want to do is, actually this should have been number 1. So we're going to make it number 3, but it's supposed to be number 1. It's top with number 1. The main thing, this is what keeps me trading Forex. This is what kept me going over all these years. That main thing is knowing why I want to do it. Because if you just want to jump into Forex and think it's going to make you get rich quick without knowing why, and it's just for the money, then you're going to fall off. What I want you to do before you decide to make the decision to learn how to trade Forex, whether it's binary, whether it's cryptocurrencies, whatever it is, make sure you know why you're doing it. And if you're doing it for money, what is it that you would do with that money? Because it doesn't just stop at money. What would you do for it? Would you, eventually quit your job over the next 52 weeks? Would you be able to travel more, once everything opens back up? Would you be able to travel more? Would you be able to do more for your family, for your kids, for your loved ones? What is it that money would do for you? Right? Because you need to have more than just money. You need to have your reason why. Because it's not just about money. So that's what I tell a lot of the students when they come through our academy is that know your reason why. My main reason for learning how to trade Forex when I first started was because, for one, I had just got the military. I was retired, and I didn't realize that the money wasn't going to be the same as when I retired. I assumed I was still going to be getting that lovely check, but once I did a medical retirement, I realized I needed more because I got people to take care of. I can't be the best auntie ever and, you know, be low on finances. No, not at all. So that's when I started doing my research, and then I came into Forex, and that ended up being a solution that I was looking for. All right, because for one, remember what I said at the beginning of this video, for one, I knew it wasn't a get rich quick type thing, right? Because I had to do a lot of research. I had to look at a lot of YouTube videos and talk to a lot of people, and I was like, oh, so those people that's online saying, hey, get rich fast, trading Forex, is not really the right mentors for me, right? So that's when I found a credible source. I had to make sure I had found the best platform that I know of, for one that's been around for a while. I don't want anything new. I want some age on it, right? I want some age on it. I like it a little something when I'm learning from somebody. I don't want you to be brand new, but I want you to have some season under your belt, right? I think that makes sense. If not, just work with me here. But I needed something credible. That's why we go with the academy that we went with Forex Vibes, right? So once you go to the website, you'll see exactly what academy we went with. And then also as well, what I learned is that I needed a proper community, right? I needed a community because for one, I'm stepping out that 9 to 5. And then when I was at 9 to 5 in the military, we didn't talk about, hey, you know what I'm saying? Next month, I know that I'd be able to make this amount of money. No, we were all kind of like in this bubble and really didn't think that it was much more out there, especially financially, right? Because I wasn't in that environment. And what I like to say is you don't know what you don't know. So I didn't know that other type of finances were available. I didn't know that what I make in the military, I can make trading Forex. I can make trading binary, right? And I'm not saying I can do it overnight. You don't do it overnight, right? It can take 52 weeks, right? But when I involved myself in this type of investment and trading community, man, I started to see that I was selling myself short. Selling myself entirely too short, right? I didn't know the possibilities of trading Forex, of trading binary. This thing is serious. This thing is serious. Like I said, I'm still retired. I don't work a 9 to 5. My extra finances come from trading Forex and binary, right? So I do probably another video on breakdown what exactly is Forex. If you're already watching this video, you probably know, kind of heard of Forex. That's why you're here. But I'll do another video to break down what exactly is Forex, what is binary, aka HFX, and how you can really benefit from it. Because this stuff is powerful. Like once you get involved in the community, you're going to see that, man, you've been limited to yourself this whole time. This is a whole new year, 2021. If you haven't recognized, things are changing. Things are changing, right? You see Bitcoin machines everywhere. You hear this Bitcoin crypto saying, oh my God, it's $30,000. That's for one coin. One. Imagine if you were already trading Forex when it started to shoot up, right? It started to shoot to that 30,000. You were able to trade it without even having to have $30,000 in your account for that one coin. No, but I'll tell you the secrets of that later. It's not even a secret because it's out there, right? So I'll definitely do another video on that. So I'll make sure I remember to write that down. But can Forex make you rich? No, it cannot. It can't. It can't. It really, it cannot. It can't. What it can do is accelerate and fast track you to where you want to be in life. All right. So it's not a get rich quick overnight. No, it's not. No. Make sure you have the right mentor. Make sure you're in the right community. Make sure you know your reason why, because it's not always about money, right? But what I want you to do right now, because we're going in 9 minutes, I try to keep these videos under 10 minutes. I know the attention span be kind of, but what I want you to do is go to our website. It's going to be below in the description of this video, and just check out what it is that we have to offer. Then what I want you to do as well, because I'm a real person, we're real people, schedule that free consultation call, and I will get on the line, and one of the other members will get on the line with you and go over and answer your questions and see how it is we can help you. Because Forex might not be for you, but you don't know yet, right? Because you don't know what you don't know. But then it might be for you. You don't know. So that's why we offer these free consultation calls, so we can get on the line with you, see what your goals are, see where you are right now in life, and see if Forex is the right thing for you. So that is all. Make sure you like this video, right? Make sure you thumbs up this video. Also too, make sure you send us an email, support@forex-vibes.com if you have any questions. and get that free consultation call booked today, right? Book today so we can go ahead and help you reach your goals and dreams. So hope this video has helped you. We will see you in the next video. We're going to be providing a lot of value over here. This was just the first answer your question type video. Then we're going to go dive deep into some other stuff. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.